Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to a new episode of Baking with Chef Raphael, a show that's meant to make you a better home baker. Today I'm going to make a chocolate mint cake. It's a marble cake, it also can be a zebra cake, but what I like about it, it's very simple ingredients. In fact, in this recipe, I'm actually using cooking oil as opposed to margarine or butter. The other ingredients are milk, cocoa, mint, I have eggs, sugar. Now, for the ingredients, I'll start with the sugar together with the eggs. So to my eggs, I'll now add the milk and 200 ml of cooking oil. But make sure whenever you're having oil, use a flavorless oil. Don't use an oil like olive oil, which has flavor. You need a flavorless oil like the vegetable oil that I use. So I mix all this together. Now to this, I'll add sifted flour. So this is ready. You see the mixture is a light mixture. So what I want to do right now to have my chocolate and mint flavor is to divide the mixture into two. For the mint one, what I'll do is add the mint, the chopped mint, just mix it up. But now to make it more distinct in terms of color-wise, what I will do is add some green color, and this will make this mixture of mine green, because I want to mimic that mint green color. Just add a little bit of it at a time. You can always add more, but if it's too much, it's too much. So I like that green. So again, it's up to you with how deep you want your green color to be. And now for the chocolate one, I'll add about 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and then I'll mix it. So this can be a good marble cake recipe. Of course, without the mint, just leave it plain, though no green color, no mint. It will be vanilla and chocolate, the way I do when I'm making a zebra cake. So you pour the center of your baking tin like that, and then you take your chocolate one and pour at the center like that, and then I'll pour. So that's the mixture. Like you've seen, it's alternating the chocolate and the mint, and what you'll have is that nice looking design. It's a zebra, call it a zebra design. And now into the oven this will go. How you know a cake is cooked? Either by dipping a knife. When it comes out clean, it's cooked. And then I want us to get inside and you see how it looks. So that's the inside of the cake. You can see the marbled or zebra design. I hope you've learned something. Whenever you have a question, just put them on the comment section and I'll get back to you. And follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. I'm your host, Chef Raphael. Until next time, goodbye.